Roth IRAs are one of the best retirement vehicles available today. They offer a number of unique benefits that other retirement accounts do not. A Roth IRA is a retirement account that offers tax-free growth potential and tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Contributions to a Roth IRA are not tax-deductible, but qualified distributions are tax-free. Roth IRAs can be used to save for retirement or other long-term goals. A Roth IRA is a special type of individual retirement account that offers unique tax benefits. With a Roth IRA, you can invest your money after you pay taxes on it, and then it grows tax-free. Roth IRAs are available to taxpayers of all income levels, and there are no age restrictions for contributions or withdrawals. Roth IRAs are best when you think your marginal taxes will be higher in retirement than they are right now. Single filers can contribute to a Roth IRA if they earn more than $140,000 in 2021 or $144,000 in 2022. For married couples filing jointly, the limit is $208,000 in 2021 or $214,000 in 2022. The deductible amount that you can contribute changes periodically. In 2021 and 2022, the contribution limit is $6,000 a year unless you are age 50 or older, in which case you can deposit up to $7,000. The primary benefit of a Roth IRA is that your contributions and the earnings on those contributions can grow tax-free and be withdrawn tax-free after the age of 59 and a half, assuming the account has been open for at least 5 years. In other words, you pay taxes on money going into your Roth IRA, and then all future withdrawals are tax-free. Roth IRAs are similar to traditional IRAs, with the biggest distinction being how the two are taxed. Roth IRAs are funded with after-tax dollars. This means that the contributions are not tax-deductible, but once you start withdrawing funds, the money is tax-free. Almost all brokerage firms offer Roth IRAs. I am currently using M1 Finance and Alto Crypto IRA for my 2 IRA accounts. Yes, you can invest in crypto through a Roth IRA or traditional IRA. We will soon, in the next video or two, explain what a traditional IRA is and how it differs from a Roth IRA. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care.